Namaste to all my Jyotish friends and Jyotish lovers. In this episode, I am going to tell something about Papa Samay Dosh. Actually, Papa Samay Dosh is a collective of planets positioned in the natal chart. That means we can analyze Manglik Dosh. Manglik Dosh in North Indian style 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 is called Mangalik Dosh. That means Mangal presence in second house, fourth house, sixth house, eighth house, 12th house. Call it as Manglik Dosh. In South India, even Lagna, first house, second house, fourth house, sixth house, eighth house, 12th house positions are called it as Manglik. Actually, cancellation of Mangaliks are also there. But now we are going to discuss about Papa Samay Dosh. But this Papa Samay Dosh formation will be under the control of Krishna Paksha Chandra. Krishna Paksha Chandra takes on various planets like Venus, Shani, Rahu, Ketu, Mangal. Like that, the planets are positioned from the Krishna Paksha Chandra. The Papa Samay Dosh formation will be cited in the horoscope. What is this Papa Samay Dosh? Actually, when a boy and girl, the matured boy and girl, around suppose a girl is 23 age, a boy is 27. If the matrimonial alliance are checked for these two, male and female, so this Papa Samay Dosh is very, very important. The collection of analysis, the Papa Samay Dosh points should be less for female chart. So the Papa Samay Dosh collective analysis of male chart will be high. Why this difference means the male should be always high, the female should be lower points. That means every planet is given some points. That points should be from the Krishna Paksha Chandra. These are all planets. I specified those planets. Those should be in a benefic places, not malefic places. And there should not be Nicha places also. All these create Papa Samay Dosha or more. Suppose if a girl born in Amavasya with other malefic things goes Papa Samay Dosh point high. So we should not match this girl horoscope with the lower points of Papa Samay Dosh for a male. That is very, very important. If Papa Samay Dosh is analyzed pre-matrimonial process, 70% of the problems can be obtained from these two horoscopes. When 70% of the problems obtained from these two horoscopes, the post-process of marital life, we can inform in well advance for these two couples. So, the Papa Samay Dosh is very, very important for everyone. Where that Papa Samay Dosh to be kept important, that means it is given criteria are important before fixing of wedding. The girl and boy horoscope properly analyzed with the help of Papa Samay Dosh. So, once Papa Samay Dosh is obtained, suppose if girl horoscope is less than the points, that means imagine that 2 points is coming with all other planets, the malefic scoring is coming around 2 points. While checking with the male horoscope, the Papa Samay scores coming around 2.25. So other things are matched. Jupiter, Saturn, all these things are going well and Dasha Bhukti is good and star matching is having the appropriate count, then these two horoscope will be matched for wedding and later the marriage can performed. So the analysis of information should be intimated to the couples well in advance. So after marriage they can come to the conclusion of yes, we will stuck in some problems with respect to the Papa Samay Dosh. There is nothing wrong. See, well in advance we inform to the male and female. Later on they should not be in struggling for when complexity of days comes. They can manage the situation. That is why pre-matrimonial this Papa Samay Dosh for male and female should be matched, analyzed very well to avoid certain unfortunately happening some incident in their life after marriage. So Papa Samay Dosh is recommended for every male female before marriage and it should be thoroughly analyzed for male and female horoscope, Kundali. So we can get some type of analysis should be kept in front of them. So they can be ready in the post process of marriage life. So once again I am informing you everyone, Papa Samay Dosh is very important for human life. Both the chart before going to marriage, the matrimonial analysis, Papa Samay Dosh should be taken care of very well by the astrologers. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and you will be getting more and more Jyotish related new topics automatically in your mailbox. Thank you very much.